Hi everyone, welcome to Community Links. My name is Katie, and today I'm going to show you some really fun songs that I really love. So we have The Little Green Frog and Ram Sam Sam and If All the Raindrops. And they're really fun songs that really sometimes you make funny faces in them. The Little Green Frog, you stick your tongue out a lot, which the kids really enjoy. And we have a fun book. It's a sliding surprise book, so it kind of goes with my theme. But yeah, let's get into it right now. Who Pretends by Charles Reasoner. Who bravely defends the castle gates? I do. On guard. I'm a knight. Who twirls and leaps across the stage? I do. Ooh la la. I'm a ballerina. Who floats around in outer space? I do. Blast off. I'm an astronaut. Who paints bright colors on a canvas? I do. Voila. I'm an artist. Who sails the mighty high seas? I do. Yo-ho! I'm a pirate. Last one. Who hangs on tight in the rodeo? Any guesses? I do. Yeehaw! I'm a cowboy. And he's an actual cow. The end. So I have my little frog friend here, and we're going to sing one of my favorite songs. It's called The Little Green Frog, and it's one of my favorites because you get to stick out your tongue like this a lot in it, and you get to clap a little bit. So it's a very fun song. You might know it already, but I'm going to show it to you once, and then we'll go over it one more time. So it goes, went the little green frog one day, went the little green frog, went the little green frog one day, so they all went, ah. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go ah. We'll do it one more time together. So ready? Went the little green frog one day. Went the little green frog. Went the little green frog one day. So they all went ah. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go ah. This song is called Ram Sam Sam, and it has a lot of hand motions, and you really have to practice with your S's. Okay. And ghoulies, I guess. I'll show you. Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam. Ghoulie, 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 Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam, Ram Sam Sam. Ghoulie, 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 Ram Sam Sam. Oh Raffy, ghoulie, 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 Ram Sam Sam. So now you can go faster, or you can go slower. But most of the time the kids choose to go faster when I sing this song. So we'll try it one more time really fast. Ready? A Ram Sam Sam, a Ram Sam Sam, ghoulie 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 Ram Sam Sam, a Ram Sam Sam, a Ram Sam Sam, ghoulie 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 Ram Sam Sam, oh Raffy, ghoulie 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 Ram Sam Sam. I think I mixed up my motions a little bit, but it's fun to practice and it's fun to play. So this song is called If All the Raindrops, and it's a nice summer song. There's a winter version that I'll put in too. But you want a shaker for it, I think. So if you have anything that shakes, it's great for the song. So it goes, if all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. Shake, shake, shake. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. Shake, shake, shake. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain it would be. It's pretty simple. It's a good one. And then when it's wintertime, you can switch the raindrops to the snowflakes. And that one goes like this. If all the snowflakes were chocolate bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow it would be. Shake, shake, shake. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide. If all the snowflakes were chocolate bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow it would be. I hope you guys like that one. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you're not already. Thanks for watching.